got something of this sort. A and then plus under root A plus A plus A plus and so on and so forth up to infinity. And so we'll call this X and then we will square it. Then we'll get what? A plus and then again A plus A plus A plus infinite times. This will be equal to x square. Then you call this x itself, so this will become a plus x equals to x square. Then this will become x square minus x minus a equals to 0. And then you can make use of the formula of quadratic, which will be minus b, which will be 1, plus minus b square, which is 1, minus 4ac, which is 4 into a, divided by 2a. Right? So this is what it will be 1 plus minus 1 plus 4a by 2. But you can get rid of minus and if they say that this is only going to be positive for you then. Otherwise, this is how it will be. Okay.